Is the REDRAGON UCAL Pro. This is the Spanish version, and this is a mechanical keyboard that was sent to me by REDRAGON. They were kind enough to send this to me, and thank you REDRAGON for this, nice keyboard. So this keyboard, it comes with this OTG adapter that you can connect via your phone and your computer or your PC. And then it's a tri mode, which is you can either connect with that OTG I just showed you, or the USB-C with cable, and then or with Bluetooth. So this is off. This is a 2.4G adapter, and it didn't come with these two nice keycaps you guys saw. I exchanged it with another keycap. I customized this. I just wanted for it to go with my desk setup, which is like white, gray, and black. So that's why I put it like this, and I love it. I love it. It's a 60, I think it's a 65% keyboard, and it comes with this cable if you guys want, and then some extra switches and a keycap and switch puller, and you guys should check out the sound test. So it comes with a volume knob button that you can use to pause and play your videos. And then it comes with a double stand, and you can minimize this for your wrist, so you can either put it to the last one or this one. So, and once you do it, you guys see it has a minimum change, and when you put it to the last one, which is like the maximum, you can put your hands or your wrist, sorry, here, and then you can be able to type anything you want. Now this is a keyboard that I love, because if you guys know, if you're someone who maximizes desk space, so this is basically for you. I have a small space which I am making use of right now. So this one was sent to me also by them. That was a few months back, and if you guys know, it's much bigger than this. So if you are looking for something that it's small, it's compatible, you can travel with, then this is the one for you. But if you're someone who does a lot of office work, school work and everything, then this 100% keyboard is for you. This is the Artemis Pro, and then you can get this and also this one comes with like the volume knob and the screen, and this one comes with why this one comes with only the knob. Now you can also get like their mouse, which is nice, like it weighs less than a feather, and it's also a gaming mouse, but you can use it like normal. Everyone uses a normal mouse. So this is it. You guys should let me know what you think. So a full video on my keyboard, on all of my keyboards combined, are going to be coming out soon. So please subscribe and check out and see how this keyboard holds up to the rest of my REDRAGON collection. And thanks to REDRAGON for sending me this particular fine ass, great, nice keyboard, and I love the keycaps. Also, it comes with the red switches, which is from REDRAGON. It's called the Ultimo switches, and you can just copy this or any other REDRAGON in particular. And I'll see you guys on the next video.